चलिए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है एस्से ऑन वैल्यू ऑफ टाइम। टाइम प्लेज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट रोल इन लाइफ। इट इज़ द मोस्ट वंडरफुल एंड प्रैक्टिकल थिंग। इट हैज़ नो बिगिनिंग एंड नो एंडिंग। ऑल थिंग्स आर born on time, grown on time, and die on time. You cannot have a command on time, nor can you analyze and criticize it. It is very crucial that you understand the value of time and manage it effectively. Otherwise, time can create an enormous impact on your life. You need to comprehend and regard the value of time by not wasting it. हमारा अगला है इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ टाइम। टाइम का महत्व। टाइम डज नॉट वेट फॉर एनी वन, वेदर यू लाइक इट और नॉट। द फैक्ट इज टाइम will never stop. It will keep going on. This is an old belief, but it still holds true. Time gives you only one chance, and you have to make the best of it. A moment lost is lost forever. You cannot go back and reverse time. Time is ever changing, and the change is the law of nature. Nothing is independent of time and change. Life is short, and tasks to accomplish are vast and challenging. We should realize this fact and not waste any time. Every second and every opportunity should be used efficiently and meaningfully. Next है मैनेजिंग टाइम। टाइम मैनेजमेंट has become the most crucial task in today's busy world. It is the art of arranging, organizing, scheduling, and budgeting one's time for the purpose of generating more effective work and productivity. Managing time is the effect of the value of time. It is important for everyone, including students, teachers, factory workers, professionals, homemakers, and all. Managing time is not necessarily about getting a lot of things done. Instead, it is about getting the right things, the things that truly need to be done. So it is essential to remain focused and in control of time instead of rushing frantically from. Managing time is not necessarily about getting a lot of things done. Instead, it is about getting the right things, the things that truly need to be done. So it is essential to remain focused and in control of time instead of rushing frantically from one activity to next until you get exhausted. Never postpone things for the next day. Today is important. So complete your task today rather than leaving it from tomorrow. Leisure is enjoyable but after a fruitful hard work. फर्स्ट टॉपिक है फोकस ऑन मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट टास्क फर्स्ट। कैलकुलेट हाउ मच योर टाइम इज वर्थ फॉर ए पार्टिकुलर जॉब. दिस विल हेल्प यू टू prioritize the work and focus on the important task first. Less important tasks can be delegated to others. Create a time audit. You can keep a track of your work that you do every week. Then you can make a report to find out which task is stealing more time. This will help you in proper assessment. Third, set a limit for each task. When you set a time limit for each task, then you will not get distracted and finish your work within the time frame. Fourth, plan ahead. If you plan well in advance, then you can be more organized and utilize time to complete a work efficiently. Don't waste time waiting. If you have to wait for the completion of a task, then utilize that waiting time in a most effective way. Instead of sitting idle, you can read any books or study material of your interest. This will increase your productivity. 6. Work smarter and not harder. When you juggle with time, then be smart enough to take up one single task and finish it. Quality is more important than quantity. Conclusion. Time is very vital substance in our lives. By realizing the value of time and utilizing it effectively, we will not only achieve our goals to the outermost personal satisfaction but can also contribute to the advancement and development of our society and country. We need to respect time. Some FAQ questions. First, why is it important to value time? It is important to value time because time never waits for anyone. If you don't utilize time in an efficient way, then it can create an enormous impact on lives. Second, how do we value time? We need to value time by managing it effectively. We need to plan ahead, organize, schedule, and budget our workload. Third, what will happen we don't value time? If we don't value time, then we will have to regret in future for not making the best of time. Fourth, what are the distractions that we face in today's world? Social media, internet, phones, and digital games that prevents us from utilizing time in effective ways often distract us. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe.